Maria!
Here! Hey! How's it going?
Things are good. Wow, look at all these eggs. Your business is doing well.
Yes, and I'm grateful. Finally, all this hard work is starting to pay off. You're gonna get some eggs?
Yeah.
Well, I got some good news too. I found an apartment for my family. We'll finally have running water and a window. Except, I don't have quite enough money right now. I need 1,000 to move in. I don't want to lose this place, Maria. It's perfect for us. Will you help me?
Mateo, I want to help you. I could give you the 1,000 if I sell all my chickens.